Feet rode off a log. This is the result. Pretty deep. Those days. Alright. Alright. Hey, what's up, what's up? It's been a few days in Handover at the Human Nature Hostel. Had an awesome time, man. Guys, it's a cool hostel. You need to check it out. More on that later. But got rained real heavy. Rained heavy hard for the last several days. And it was a unique experience, you know, more people learning. It was good. Met a lot of interesting people. Big bubble came in, northbounders, almost 11 of them. It's probably one of the last big bubbles, but because it's October 3rd or 4th today, I think. It was good stuff. But more on the human nature later. That was good. I'll throw some more stuff in. That was what happened, the cool stuff. But anyway, back on the trail, trying to make some time. I'm going to try to make about 10 miles today and try to get to the Whites by the end of the week, you know, get over into New Hampshire. But I wanted to show you this cool looking, I guess the Conservancy built it. I seen actually, which I mentioned in another one of my videos, I think it was a student conservation group up in the Baxter State Park. And I actually seen about 8 or 9 grab a tarp and haul one of these big boulders over towards the trail. And I stopped just a minute, and guys do that. Stop and thank the trail workers, you know, for doing stuff like this. Look how cool this is. That's all made us with a lot of hard work. But anyway, I'm grateful for it. Just kudos to the Conservancy and conservation groups that throws in. Again, I've only been in Maine, so I can only talk about what I'm experiencing in the sense of experience. But I thought it was pretty cool. I feel a little stronger today in the legs. My arch support helped. Those inserts working great. The super feet. And also I got some rock blockers that came out of some Solomons. It's one of my buddies that was on the trail threw them at me. Those worked out pretty good. And some arch ain't hurting today. My shoulder ain't hurting, but it's my first day back in a while. I've had over 72 hours plus to heal up. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
What's up? What's up? Good morning. I am going to show you guys where I slept last night. If I don't fall. I think I'm going to jump in and swim in a minute. Well, not from here though. Another angle where I stayed last night. Check it out. That is cool.
swim. Here we go. Look at this beautiful waterfall. Woo! That's right. I mean, it's so revitalizing, felt so good. I don't know, man, some things just money can't buy, you know? Stuff like this, and I don't know. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. I thank you, Lord. I camped right up there last night. Yeah, I left my glasses on. I thought they'd stay on my head, and here they go. Thank God my fingers caught them. And yeah, I know they were on. But anyway, good way to start my day. Peace.